Welcome, in front of me I have XIAOMI Mi 90, and today I'm going to show you how you can log out from one of your Gmail account. So for example, I would like to log in from this one, right? So what we have to do, we have to find the settings. Next we have to scroll down and find accounts, and we can find it right here. Go for the Google and then choose the account that you want to remove. I will go for this one. Go for the more and then tap to remove account. Click remove. And as you can see right now, when we go back for our Gmail account, we cannot find this email address anymore here. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.